If you want to check whether the posture trainer is okay electronically, first thing you would do is check the battery compartment. So I slide the lid downwards and check whether there are batteries in there at all, and they are. Then I use the edge, some edge of the lid, to prop them out at the plus pole. You see the plus symbol here, and you can also tell that it's the plus end of the battery because it's got this little bump here that's sticking out. Do the same thing for the bottom battery. And I also make sure I had them in the right way. So the top battery with the plus pole facing this direction, and the bottom battery with the plus pole facing the opposite direction, as shown on the bottom, the picture on the bottom of the battery compartment here. So I know I had batteries, they were in right. Next thing I do is check whether they're still good. I can do that by simply putting in fresh batteries, or if I have a little measuring device like this, I can also test them here, and we see this is fully charged. It went all the way up to 1.5 volts. These are 1.5 volt batteries, so this is fully charged battery. Now if I repeat the same thing for the other one, I see this too is fully charged. So now I can put the batteries in. I've determined that they're good. I put them in the correct way, plus pole of the top battery facing this way, plus pole of the bottom battery the opposite direction, and slide the lid back on. Now I'm ready to do a function test. The way I do this, I place one finger next to the posture trainer with half a finger's width distance between the finger and this end of the posture trainer, so the end that has the switch. I'm not placing the finger down here where the battery compartment is. There's no sensor here, so I couldn't test the electronics that way. It has to be this end of the posture trainer. Then I leave the finger here, switch the posture trainer on, wait about 4 seconds until it vibrates the first time, which it does now, and then it should stop when I move the finger further away, which it does. If I move the finger back to the same distance that I had initially, it should start back on, which it does. Or if I move it even closer, then it keeps going, keeps vibrating. Test it again. I move my finger away, vibration stops, move it back up to the same distance that I had initially or closer, and the vibration starts up again. So this test has shown that electronically this posture trainer is just fine.